take some Skittles and arrange them in any shape you want. Now Skittles will feel their color. I can see little bit of color appearing in the Skittles edges. I can see it. This is happening. It's going towards the center and it's not mixing. These are the questions. And why are they not mixing and why they are going into the center? Let's see. So, these candies have the same amount of sugar concentration. So that means they will never mix ever again. And they are going into the center. That's because in the center there are more sugar concentration. And this makes the sugar rainbow. Whoa! It's a rainbow. In the equal sugar concentration, the color moves towards the center. Thank you.